अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब लोग खैर आफियत से होंगे। आज के चैनल में मैं आपको मर्सिडीज़ बेंज W196 के बारे में बताऊंगी, लेकिन उससे पहले मेरी आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। तो चलिए जी, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए वीडियो का आगाज़ कर लेते हैं। मर्सिडीज़ बेंज W196 in racing automobile in the Mercedes-Benz and was Formula One of the racing car produced of Mercedes-Benz for in 1954 and 1955 F1 season. Successor in the W194 in the hand of Jonah Manuel Fangio in the String Moss. It won 9 and 12 races into the captures from only 2 world championships in which they competed. First introducing of the car in the administrative valves of the Daimler-Benz developed in the mechanical direct fuel injection adapt from the DP in high provinces in the use of the Mercedes Mitch in the fighter during World War II. The legendary 3-liter sports Richard Rena in the engine sport light racing in the drive from in W196 for the 1955 World Sporters Championship season in the crash of Le Mans, and was the year ended not only its own short-lived domination of WSC and critical built in the spelled off and also involved the Mercedes pulled out of the competitive race in the 1955 and did not return for another 3 races. The W196 in delayed debut at the 1954 French Grand Prix was to the introduce of the aerodynamic closed wheel aluminium and type Monza in the streamliner and body of the high-speed track of Jermis John Manuel Fangio and Carla Ring in the claimed finish, and the Hans Hermann posted of the fastest lap. The same body was later used to the 3 more types in the 1955 British Grand and the Silverstones in 1954 Italian Grand Prix in the Monza, where it picked in the nickname of 1955, and at the Monza again at the red win of the in the 19 wheel and 300 Grand Pixel have remained in one race won by closed wheel car in Formula One history. Attractive at the Monza was the streamlined body was really only suited in high-speed track and made up the straight and low corners, leading to defeat in 1 second race in the British Grand Prix. At the high-speed corner domination, silver crudes in out of the current conventions of open-wheel version was introduced for the most important race on the calendar of Mercedes, the German Grand Prix in the 20-long Nürburgring Fiji, and who already in the first 2 GPS of 1954. With a Mercedes in his home in all over the following GPS in 19 set of the closed wheel streamers type Monza securing and the world champion. At the Spanish Grand Prix and Mercedes all last season's race of 1954 season, the low mountain Mercedes air intake clogged and with leaves of costing the race Mickey Hart of Feria and leading on the intake reactions of Stopwood. In the shortened of 1955 Formula One season, observative after in the main distance of the W196 on one every race excepted of Monaco and Grand Prix of Hans Hermann's crash of the practice, and the other 3 team Mercedes cars failed into finish. A highlights for the driver straight Moss was finished in second ahead of Stapleton Matt and Fangio of his mode. home event in the first GP win a race where Mercedes companies in home of 125 and finish after companies in the two World Championship of committed in Mercedes withdraw of the motorsport at the end of 1955 season. Deposit into the strong reliability and good track performance. Driver Figio of Moss described in the Car and Motorsport magazine as being a bit difficult to drive in the Tedney of the snap. Overseaters Moss also later and said that I am surprised that the Mercedes Vesent did not in the title of drive because it was the driver car but not too easy car to drive. Fangio shared similar feelings in also saying the Motorsport magazine in 1979 in the car was not so nice of driver and mystery but were almost secure to the finish, so the Mercedes was incredible in that ways of the Formula 1 driver Johan Weston and drove of the Hawkins in provides some insights as to why the car was difficult to drive and said that if you have this car wider in the gripper and tires of altered in the suspension of suit then the handling would of the higher order. Indeed of 196 was the advanced and ahead of its time in the narrow of available at the time simply could not fully handle the carries expansions of performance and the potential. In studies of the Mercedes show at the 319 HP and the could not be achieved from liters with the supercharger pressure of the 4.4 atm in required to drive the supercharger in fuel competitions of his HP. The engine would not have been 2.3 times higher than the naturally appeared in the developing in the same superpower since in 115 was being developed by the naturally aspirated motorcycle racing engine was decided the 2.5 liters in all the correct choice. ओके गाइज, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट्स कीजिएगा और अपनी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।